Hey folks, Matt here with West Chicago Monterey Road. Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while, and I do apologize for that. I have been busy with the layout. I have added some new lighting, replaced some buildings, a lot more vegetation, some, tweaks and updates here and there. It is about 99.5% done, and I think I'm just ready to start making a lot more videos. So today we're going to do something really fun to celebrate this. I have in front of you, which you see right now, is a Santa Fe Legacy Texas. Now this is not going to be the star of the show. Today we're going to be messing around with some of the sound cars, and more specifically the farm sound cars. I'm a big fan of these Vision Line sound cars. I have a horse car, I have the new pig car, and I have the cattle car. And I threw them all behind this Texas, and we're just going to have some fun running it around the layout. Alright folks, just a really quick disclaimer. There are a lot of sound cars in this train, so it makes a lot of noises, especially with the creaking and screeching of all the cars. I did set all of their sounds to min, so they would make less sounds. Now that's not going to keep us from playing around with all the animal sounds. I'm going to make sure that I do each one, we'll play each of the sounds, and we'll, of course, watch this incredible looking Santa Fe, Texas. Go around the layout, you'll see some new things, and again, this is just about having fun and kind of enjoying, trains. So sit back, relax.
This is the tower. Make a phone to the pit to top her off. Over. Okay, let's get to work. Out. Engine to dispatcher. Air is up, the crew's on board. Are we clear? Over. Please hold at your location. Out. Timetable only gives us 10 minutes for this stop. I'll tend the fire. Go jump off the tape. Better tend that fire while we're waiting. Gonna be a hard pull ahead.
Okay, folks, hopefully you enjoyed that. Just wanted to kind of get something in here before the end of the year. This year went pretty quickly. I have been focusing a lot on the podcast side of things and our Discord server for the podcast, but I did want to kind of dip back into making some videos again, because making these videos for all of you, followers, subscribers, just people stopping by, I really enjoy it, and just kind of wanted to get some Santa Fe going. So again, folks, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, please. That really helps out the channel. Lets me know you're watching, and of course, there's going to be a lot more videos, coming down the pipe here. So have a very happy holiday and a fantastic new year. Thanks for watching.